What if I told you I have got a cheesecake that's not only rich, creamy, and decadent, but one you can actually enjoy this holiday season without destroying your efforts to maintaining your weight? Today, I am sharing how to make my high-protein mini pumpkin cheesecakes. I am Manuel Villacorta, registered dietitian, weight management expert, and culinary dietitian. I spent over 20 years helping people enjoy food without guilt. And yes, that includes dessert. And I'm excited to share that I have partnered with National Dairy Council to bring you this recipe. Dairy foods like cottage cheese and Greek yogurt are true nutrition powerhouses. Power with high-quality protein and source of calcium and nutrients that not only make this cheesecake delicious, but are also nourishing. Here's something I tell my clients. The goal during the holidays is to maintain weight. If you start December at one weight and hit January at the same number, that's a big success. Recipes like this make that possible, indulgent, portion control, and supportive of your goals. Now let's get cooking. We'll start with the crust. We're mixing graham cracker crumbs, a touch of melted butter, monk fruit, brown sugar, and my twist, chia seeds. Not only do chia seeds add crunch, but they also bring fiber, which helps with satiety and digestion. Press this mixture into silicone muffin cups and bake for 7 minutes. Already it smells like the holidays. Now the filling, where the magic happens. We blend cottage cheese and Greek yogurt until smooth. This swap in place of traditional ingredients gives us a creamy texture we love while adding over 15 grams of protein per serving. We'll add pumpkin puree, a source of fiber and vitamin A, plus eggs, monk fruit, a little brown sugar, vanilla, cinnamon, and pumpkin spice. Blend it until silky and pour it over the crusts. Fun fact. Pumpkin is technically a fruit, but nutritionally we treat it as a vegetable because it's fiber and lower calorie profile. Notice what we're doing here? Not removing sugar, but balancing it. A little monk fruit, a little brown sugar, so we keep the traditional cheesecake flavor, but with fewer added sugars. This is what I call a smart indulgence. You can bake this at 325 Fahrenheit. For about 25 minutes, or yes, even use your air fryer, 12 to 15 minutes at 300 Fahrenheit. The key is chilling, at least 3 hours, but overnight is best. That's when you get the true cheesecake texture and this intense cheesecake flavor. Now let's finish strong. A dollop of whipped Greek yogurt, chopped walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and blackberry and raspberry. Rich, festive, and so satisfying. Sabroso! You will never guess this was a lighter version. And here's the best part. Each of these pumpkin cheesecake delights is just 265 calories, with 16 grams of protein and 3 grams of fiber. Now let's compare that to a traditional slice of cheesecake, which can run 400 to 500 calories with very little protein. Maybe 3 to 5, that's nothing. And almost no fiber, that's a big difference. So with this version, you are not only cutting back on calories and sugar, but you are also gaining the nutrition that keeps you satisfied and balanced. Portion control, nutrient filled, and holiday ready. So this holiday season, keep the flavor, boost the nutrition, and enjoy without guilt. Make these high-protein mini pumpkin cheesecakes. Bring them to your gatherings and watch everyone be amazed that something is so indulgent can also be smart. Visit usdairy.com for more information on the benefits of cottage cheese and other dairy foods. For more recipes like this, visit my blog, manuelvillacorta.com. Thanks for watching, and remember, stop dieting, start living.